Okay, in this question, Emily has 8 cousins. So let's say over here, 8 cousins, I name them as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. So since they're taking selfie, each selfie must have exactly 5 cousins and with Emily together with these 5 cousins. So for the first photo number 1, confirm I must have Emily. And now I will have 5 of the cousins. Say for example, 5 of the cousins here are A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, so here I have 5 cousins together with Emily taking a photo. Now photo number 2, I still have Emily. And this time the cousins are, let's say for example, A, B, C, D, and F. So the condition here is that each of these 8 cousins is in 2 or 3 pictures. So now first of all, I'll consider the cousins to be in 2 photos first. So that's it for photo 1 and photo 2. Now photo number 3, Emily is always inside. So since I consider the cousins to be in 2 photos only, so now I'm left with, I cannot consider A, B, C, and D. So now I'm left with, let's say, E, F, G, and H. Then to make up for the 5th cousin, I have no choice this time but to put in my A. So now if I look, I already have A appearing 3 times. And the condition is each of these 8 cousins is in 2 or 3 pictures. So A cannot appear anymore in photo number 4. So photo number 4, I have a condition over here. Okay, for photo number 4, we'll no longer consider A. Okay, because A is already in 3 photos. And here I consider A. Because I have no choice. I need 5 cousins to be in the photo. So this time in photo number 4, Emily is always there. Now I know that I can no longer have A, but I still can have B, C, D, E, and F. So if I take a look this time, my B appears 3 times already. So the next one, I cannot consider B anymore. My C also appears 3 times, as well as D, my E as well, and also my F. So now when I proceed to photo number 5, Emily will always be there. But this time, for photo number 5, no longer consider cousins B, C, D, E, F. Okay, because B, C, D, E, and F, they already appear 3 times. So now what I'm left with are, Emily will still be in the photos. So I'm left with G and H. However, each photo needs 5 cousins. So I need 3 more people over here. But then there is no one to fit the condition. Okay, the condition that I need 5 people, and also the condition that each cousin can only appear 2 or 3 times in the photo. So therefore, Emily can take 4 selfies. And these 4 selfies are enough to fulfill all the condition, where from these 4 photos, she has already taken with all her 8 cousins, and each of these photos has 5 cousins in it. And lastly, each of these 8 cousins is in 2 or 3 pictures.